nobody's really good at it still.
And let's just talk about education. So educating customers, it's one of the hardest things to do. But the FCA has recently come out and said, listen, the gamification of investing is not on. It's a serious thing. So do you find it difficult to have a balance between the seriousness of education, which nobody will read because it's boring, and making it interesting and making it a game, and then perhaps trivializing it?
It's a big question. I would separate multiple things here. I think I would separate gamification from education, actually. You have gamification tries to get people like endorse some sort of the goal, to make some action in a way. Education don't have to be like that. Education can be also like creating clarity of understandings. And education also is not only for people who have no idea how investing works. So I think education has lots of layers. So if you have maybe more experienced person, then they want to have a better understanding of their portfolio moving and also understand what's happening in the market and get information out of that and maybe look into more advanced stuff. And then you have like a pocket of customers who effectively need to be convinced that they should be investing. So in that sense, I think like education is like a broader topic, and a lot of I think education today is still understanding that how to take a long-term view, understand what's happening in your portfolio, that you're making right decisions and you're not gambling effectively. So I think a lot of work needs to be happening there. Nobody's really good at it still. We're getting there. Gamification, I think, has been kind of going overboard in the last couple of years, effectively coming into the place where don't think about money, just go in and do stuff. And I don't think it's actually the right way. Like, this is the good way to lose lots of your money really quickly. So in that sense, I don't think that, like, I do think FCA is in the right place. FCA sees how to protect these customers. I think today, a lot of these customers who went in the last couple of years actually lost already money. And now the market is a little bit scary for them because, like, how do you go from there after you lost some money? So now people start to think about it like, so what do you need to do? And now I think the actual education comes in. So in that sense, they got a little bit like hit, and now they are trying to make like actual education the next steps.